going to show you a feature in the Symbio Service and Installation app for diagnostics and alarms. Originally, the Symbio Service and Installation app supported just the Symbio 700, but recently we now are supporting the Symbio 800 as well. And so there's a few more things to show you here for support. So today I'm going to show you the alarms and the diagnostics. And there's an icon here. It's kind of a little alarm clock. We've had this from the Symbio 700s, and that's where we only showed alarms, and so that's why we have the alarms icon. But Symbio 800 has diagnostics as well, and we show them both on the same page. So we have both alarms and diagnostics shown on this alarms icon. And so when you're connected to a Symbio 800 like I am, it'll pop up diagnostics. That'll be the first page. Diagnostics shows you I have 71 of them here. I just have a controller on my bench, and so it has no inputs or outputs, and everything's throwing off diagnostics. That's why there are so many of them. And so if you get a big long list of diagnostics, you can always use the search function up here. And if I just start punching in some letters, it'll filter out any diagnostic that doesn't have that sequence of letters in it. So that's one way to search for it and kind of narrow down your list. The next section here, you've got 70. You can either sort by active or view, I should say, your active diagnostics, or click on the historic, depending on which ones you want to view. And then you have the list. Click that away. You've got your list of diagnostics down below. Up in the upper right corner, there's a 3-dot menu. If you go up here and click it, that's the way you would reset them. If you want to reset all your diagnostics, there is a button here to do that. And then if you want to view alarms, you can also go to the alarms page. So I'll click that right now. And for those of you familiar with Symbio 700, this should be familiar. This is your alarms page. If I click on this alarms section here at the top, it's going to show me all the alarms that are currently in the controller. I can sort by either severity here or by date if I click that, and or by source. I can sort different ways, and then you can acknowledge if it needs acknowledgement. You can click this just to show you the ones that need acknowledgement. And so that's the alarms and diagnostics for the Symbio 800. And thanks for watching this video.